Why is my law firm called Camino Law? It's because when I was in my 20s, I got to walk across Spain. I did something called the Camino de Santiago, which goes from the border of France, actually goes through all throughout Europe, but in Spain it goes from the border of France and follows a route that's been walked for 1,000 years and goes all the way to a city called Santiago de Compostela, which is where it's believed that the bones of St. James the Apostle are buried. Took me 30 days, more or less, walked about 500 miles, met amazing people along the way, and had lots and lots of incredible experiences as a young person. And it's just always been something that's so precious to me. It's been a big part of my life and my heart for a long time. And so when I became an attorney a few years ago after other careers and going to do this as a second career, but really the first thing I'd ever really wanted to do was do this. I was just too scared to do it, which is another story. So I moved to Spain and walked across Spain instead of going to law school. But anyway, it's another story. I love the Camino. It's like a member of my family almost. And so the logo for the Camino, if you were to ever go to Spain and see it, is a conch shell. They call it a conch shell, but it's really a scallop shell. And so that's why the logo for the business is sort of a yellow shell. And you can see yellow arrows that point the way throughout the walk. And I have some of those in my office. And anyway, it's just something really precious to me. So if you get a chance, you should Google Camino de Santiago or Santiago de Compostela. And there's also a really good movie that came out called The Way with Martin Sheen. I think he wrote it actually. It's a really good movie. So it gives you a sense of what it feels like to be on the Camino. But that is why I called my firm Camino Law. Thanks. Bye.